matter how well you take care of your yard, eventually it's gonna suffer some damage. Now that can be from things like pets or some other type of accident that cause those brown or yellow patches on your lawn. Now you might just have one, or you could have a bunch, but they always end up in the most visible spots that you wish you could just simply erase. Now the old way to repair your lawn involves scratching up the surface, putting some seed down in a lot of water and waiting a long time. But what if you could repair these spots in under 5 minutes and get a repair that was permanent, looked perfect, and was something you could do yourself? Well, that's what this video is all about, and I'm going to show you how. And what we're looking at here is the tool that's going to allow us to do those repairs in under 5 minutes. Now this is a very unusual item. It comes to us from the golf course industry. It's made out of stainless steel and it's designed for making quick repairs. And here's a close-up of the 4 blades that come with the tool. These slide into those rails on the side, and in a second you'll see exactly how they do their job. Let's put the tool into action. Now there's a typical spot that you might want to repair. You just take the tool and place it on top of the spot without the blades. Now we're going to take each of the blades, we're going to insert them in just until they touch the ground. Now with our blades in position and the tool ready to go, all we need to do is use a rubber mallet and we're going to hammer in each one of those blades fully into the ground. Now this tool's pretty cool because on the end of each of those blades there's a little bar, so you just hit them in as far as it'll go and they'll stop automatically when they finally hit the bottom. Now we just wiggle the tool slightly and pull straight up. And what we're left with is a perfectly cut piece of the lawn. And this is significant because now we have the ability to replace this with a good piece of turf and it will fit exactly. So now we're going to place 2 good pieces of turf into those spots. Now we'll move on to the other patch and we'll put another good piece of turf right in that same opening. Now you notice on the left spot there's still some damaged turf there. If I wanted to, I actually could have done multiple pieces right next to each other for larger spots. And here's a different view of that same area that I was working on. This will give you a better idea of what's involved with a repair and how quick they actually can be. All I've got to do is just take the tool, place it on top of the damaged areas. You do have to remove the blades momentarily, and then you can put the blades back in, hammer them into the ground to cut another piece of the damaged turf out. And once you've cut out each section, this is what you're going to be left with. You just have to take the tool, easily remove the blades, and then that piece of damaged turf will be sitting right there that you can relocate. And you may be thinking, well, what's the benefit here? Because now you've got all this damaged turf and you're just going to put the problem somewhere else. But it's better than that, because the old way would require you to seed and water all these different spots in your lawn. By doing it this way, you're going to take your problem spots, put them all together somewhere that's not noticeable, and now you've only got to seed and water one area. It's a lot less work, and you get the instant gratification of getting rid of all of these spots, replacing them with good healthy turf, and you get that instant repair. And here's our much better looking donor grass that's going to allow us to have our instant repaired lawn. Now if you're also thinking, why not just go out and buy some sod? Well, that's where this tool's genius really comes into play. If you get a piece of sod and you try to cut out that damaged area using a shovel, you'll never get the base right, and when you put the sod in, it's going to be kind of bumpy and it takes a lot of effort to get it level and looking really good. With this tool, it has such a precision cut with those angle blades that the donor piece and the damaged piece fit exactly. This tool is so precise that they actually use this on ball fields and golf courses, and you can instantly plan them right after the repair. At the beginning of this video, I promised you'd be able to make those lawn repairs in under 5 minutes, and hopefully I've shown you that you can do that, but I never said that the tool would be cheap. And unfortunately, it isn't. It has a price tag of around $300, and I'm going to contact the company to see if they might consider making more of a homeowners type version. But the point of this video was to show you a cool tool that's out there. Maybe this is a tool for you, but if not, at least hopefully you learned something new and saw something interesting for your lawn. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and comment below. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day.